What do you think about nature? Trees, beaches, roads in middle of the forest, or hills. All its beauty is variable in nature. All reason for us to enjoy its beauty, but still keep it alive until the end of time. We can enjoy it when we are feeling anything. Come to nature doesn't mean I still have a problem in life, because problem will always come whenever they want. Not because there is a beautiful place that must be visited because of its beauty. Because you want it. Whether it's happy or difficult, loss or problem or getting something. Go to something we want to feel different feeling is what I want to do most often. Whether alone or other people, but enjoy the beauty of nature yourself. You will feel more because there is nothing to disturb us, and we will feel more complete. So, what about you? Like to travel to nature or more modern places, or maybe both? It all depends your choice. There is no limit to that. The most important thing to enjoy it is the most important thing is to enjoy it while you can. Be grateful while you have it, and don't be arrogant when you have it, because we don't know when we will be at the bottom.